Welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making an eggless orange cake with fresh orange. Let's start the recipe. Start by grating 1 teaspoon orange zest. Cut the orange and squeeze out the fresh juice. In a bowl, add half cup curd, 2/3 cup powdered sugar. Mix well until smooth. Add 1/4 cup oil and mix again. Now sieve 1 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Sieve dry ingredients for a soft texture. Mix gently. Now add the fresh orange juice gradually and mix well. Add 1 teaspoon orange essence, the prepared orange zest, and 2 to 3 drops orange food color. Mix gently to form a smooth batter. Do not overmix the batter. Use fresh orange juice for best flavor. Grease a 7-inch mold and place baking paper. Pour the batter. Preheat a pan with a wire stand for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Cook for 35 to 40 minutes on medium-low heat. Cool and serve. Cook on low heat for even baking. Orange zest contains strong natural aroma and flavor. Eggless cakes use curd as a perfect substitute. Homemade cakes can be made without an oven. Oranges are rich in vitamin C. Curd helps in soft texture and digestion. Homemade cakes are free from preservatives. You can control sugar and oil levels. Your soft eggless orange cake is ready. Serve and enjoy the fresh orange cake. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Enoven Cake and Cookies for more easy recipes.